This is Don Spencer, President of the Oklahoma Second Amendment Association. I want to bring up another concern that has taken place. I actually received several contacts of good concern because of a city in southwest Oklahoma was looking at doing another one of these emergency power or emergency orders, or it's actually called an emergency proclamation. And in it, in the city council discussion, they had mentioned a few times about would be stopping the sale of firearms during this proclamation. And there was confusion that went back and forth, and that's why OK2A was contacted, because it appeared that they were going to be banning the sale of firearms during this situation, which is unlawful by state law. So I had sent an email to this city and had told them that basically what they had prescribed, if we understood it correctly, if what they prescribed would be illegal because of the emergency powers for Oklahoma protection, which does not allow a municipality to block the sale of firearms, period, even during a state of emergency. Well, I sent this to them last night and received back. In fact, I received a phone call from the mayor. He wasn't quite sure what I was talking about, but I did speak with Gary Jones, who's the city attorney for the city of Altus. And so what they do is they have their proclamation now, and they have correct. It is what they've done now is perfectly fine, folks. So I want to make sure that's clear. What they've done is they've described what is considered an essential business and a non-essential business. And it would appear that a person that sells firearms, that type of business, is considered non-essential. But that's nothing to get freaked out about here, because a non-essential business is only being requested or required to close at 10 o'clock at night, and they can't open till 6 o'clock the next morning, which probably doesn't affect any gun business at all. I'm not aware of anyone in Altus, Oklahoma that's selling guns at midnight. That would be an official business, if you know what I mean. So the proclamation they have looks good. Everything else in it is consistent with all the other virus concerns that's going along with, no more than 50 people and wash your hands and do all that kind of stuff with that. So I want to make it clear, the city of Altus has really done an overall very good job of making sure they've looked out for the Second Amendment concerns. That was kind of confusing and convoluted there at first, but this is an example of a city that has actually looked at something and fixed it and got it right, considering the situation that we're looking at right now. Of course, no one likes what's going on right now, but when you've got a national emergency followed by a state emergency, and cities are doing what they can to protect their residents and their citizens in those areas, and it's understood. But once again, like I say, I want to thank the city of Altus for making sure that the Second Amendment rights of individuals have not been threatened or violated, and that in their city ordinance, where there is an old law, just like we saw with Oklahoma City, that says that they can do this, they've agreed that it does need to be changed, and will do it in the future. But right now, they've got real fires they need to put out. There's no threat to your rights in the city of Altus. And like I say, I want to thank the city of Altus for working with us on this so much. This is Don Spencer, President of the Oklahoma Second Amendment Association. If you'd like to follow more what's going on, just click and follow here. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a good day.